you read after me? I can wake up early. I can wake up early. It's your turn. Good job. I can fix my bed. I can fix my bed. Your turn. That's great. I can eat my breakfast. I can eat my breakfast. I can clean my room. I can clean my room. I can read my book. I can read my book. I can help my friend. I can help my friend. I can share my toys. I can share my toys. I can play with my friends. I can play with my friends. I can run fast. I can run fast. I can climb up a tree. I can climb up a tree. I can feed our chickens. I can feed our chickens. I can write my name. I can write my name. I can study our lesson. I can study our lesson. I can count my fingers. I can count my fingers. I can listen to my mom. I can listen to my mom. Good job.